You know, there's a married gay couple living in this little room here, or in this flat. The room is also theirs. So I was thinking we should do something nice and zoos with wallpaper.
Love wallpaper.
You know, especially if you know who lives there, I don't think we can go very ordinary like that, or...
It needs to be a little bit, I mean, maybe that croc skin could possibly
could work.
What else?
What about this bricks?
No, I think it's too sort of
bricky.
loft living, slick. I think we need something a little bit more dramatic.
This is not bad.
What else is there? Oh, very nice. I like that. And it's flocked.
I like this a lot. And I think what we should do maybe, if my thought is do all the walls white.
Okay.
Take this cream away and do the ceiling white again and do this white. And what about a nice headboard?
In white, absolutely. Just to make that stand out.
Yeah, and I was thinking about bedside tables to be a bit different. You know, we're getting these shelves from Eurolux. And they're actually light boxes. So I was thinking maybe we should put like 2 on this side and 2 on the other side. Yeah.
Stunning. I like that a lot. That's really, really
You think
clean.
So? Okay, so I've got the wallpaper. I can get that quickly. I've got this. So what about linen and stuff?
I can get you some linen, some nice white crisp linen, and the headboard. And just a few little bits and pieces.
That's great. Okay, I'll start with this. Yes. Enjoy your shopping.
Okay, I will do. Thanks, Dave. Bye.
Caroline, this is now a beautiful headboard. And I see it's also got a type of damask on it.
It does, but it's quite subtle. It's a self-pattern, so it won't like fight with the wallpaper.
What do you think about this wallpaper?
The wallpaper looks amazing. It looks stunning.
Caroline, I think black and white could also be very good.
I love the black and white, but I think this is nice. It's a little edgier. It's a little different. You don't see as much of it, so...
You know, just now I phoned you about this height of the headboard that you went to fetch. I have a little problem. You know, we wanted to use these 4 shelves, the light boxes, like 2 on this side and 2 on that side. But if I had 2 on this side and 2 on that, we couldn't open those doors.
Okay. Yeah, I was going to ask you, but it actually looks divine. I
So
love
what I've
this.
done now, I've actually taken 3 and I just put pop rivets in the middle. I pop rivet 2 against each other there and 2 against each other. And that's why I gave it a little gap. You said it was, I think, 1.5.
Yeah.
I took it up to 1.6, a little bit of gap there.
Absolutely.
And I think it looked quite cool.
I think it looks awesome.
If you can just help me fit it into the middle there, it should be around about there.
You got it.
Yeah, and all I've got to do is just fix this against the wall there. Did you manage to get some side tables?
I've got some awesome little side tables that I'm going to zhuzh up. It's a little surprise. So, and then we can do linen and...
Side table.
Fantastic.
Cool.
Thanks, Riaan. Okay.
Right. Die laaste ding wat ek nou hier wil doen, jy weet hierdie draadjie. Ek het altyd 'n seer oog. Partykeer sny mense hom weg, jy kan hom wegsteek. Maar hier kan ons nou nie. Wat ek nog gedink het om te doen, ek gaan net met die glue gun mooi in daai hoekie insit en dan gaan ek hom hier agterkant afvat. As dan mense my sommer sien. Nou kan ons kyk of hy werk. As jy daar aansit, dalk is almal brand nou. Wat so lekker is, jy kan hulle individueel afsit. So as jy wil slaap, kan jy hierdie 2 afsit. Dan kan jou partner nog lees aan die ander kant. Of as jy baie lig wil hê, dan sit jy dan net by albei aan.
We've got the plain side tables with just the little damask on the top, which is divine. And then we've also got the Romance lighting collection from Eurolux. I've used some white crisp linen so that it doesn't compete with the wallpaper because it's quite busy. To give the crisp white linen a little bit more pizzazz, I've added some black and white scatter cushions, which bring in the wall art. So it just ties in nicely.
Nou vandag het ek so 'n bietjie die interieurskap vir my uitgehaal. Dus of hierdie kamer iets moois te maak. Jy kan sien vinnig, dis van die klein vaal kamertjie iets moois gemaak. Jy net 'n bietjie rooi muurpapier op te sit, 'n plan te maak met Eurolux se ligte wat eintlik rakke moes gewees en 'n lang rak hier bo die bed gehoor, jy lekker kan lees in die aande. So daar sê, vinnig kan jy van 'n kamertjie iets pragtig maak dat dit 'n boudoir kan wees.